Good morning, friends. Welcome to another episode of Blockchain Inside Out. Today, I am going to show you how you can redeem your SES from Coingecko. That reward they were telling that they will reveal on 9th of December, and today is that day. So, first, you have to come to Coingecko, then click on this. You will come that My Candy. I have already claimed one. So right now I am going to show you the whole procedure how you can claim your first reward. Then you have to click on rewards. According to your candies, you can claim any of these and you can claim two of 250 SES and two of 500 SES. Apart from that, you can claim one of each SES. So as I claimed one, I have another 1590. So I am eligible to claim this one. Clicking on this one. Now, how to use redeem your SES through this candy reward. Upon redemption, you will find your candy reward voucher listed under My Rewards and receive a unique candy reward promo code. Copy the code, click use now, and you will be redirected to a page where you can fill your details. Provide your Solana wallet address via the form by January 15th. So I am trying to do this and trying to finish it by today, so you don't have to worry till January 15th. And when they will distribute their rewards, you will get it. Access Protocol will airdrop ACS token in Q1 2023 and instantly be staked in CoinGecko access pool. So you don't have to worry at all. If you finish this form fill up, and you will receive your own. So you can do it right now after seeing this, or you can keep on collecting your candies until you get your first reward. There are lots of rewards left, so no need to hurry. You can take your time. And here I am going to read terms and condition for you. The CoinGecko X Access Protocol airdrop runs from December 9, 2022 to January 15, 2023. Over 1 month time you have to grab this airdrop. A unique code will be provided upon redeeming that ACS airdrop voucher on CoinGecko Candy Reward Store. Users will be redirected to a form where they will be prompted to input details to successfully receive the airdrop. Multiple entries of same Candy Reward voucher code will not be accepted. Obviously, you will never accept the same airdrop twice and will result in exclusion from the airdrop. If you try to cheat them, they will exclude you from the airdrop. So don't try to cheat them. Do it honestly, and you will definitely get yours reward. Each user is limited to a maximum of two redemption for 250 and 500 SES, as I already told you, and one redemption of 1000, 2500, and 2500 and 5000 SES each. SES protocol airdrop Q1 2023. Okay, now you have to open your Phantom wallet. Hope all of you have your Phantom wallet. This is the Phantom wallet. You just click on it, Solana, copy the wallet address. Fine. Now I am clicking redeem now. Get this reward, redeem now. Okay. You can see I have two vouchers, so I'm going to show you first this how you can redeem. Click on this, then use now, copy this code, use now. Coingecko XXL protocol airdrop. Here you have to fill your details. Email is already there. I'm writing my name, then voucher code, Solana wallet address. Here I will provide. Copy. This is the Solana address, and then send me a copy. Right? Submit. So this is the whole procedure I have done in front of you, and this is very easy procedure. You can do it by your own, and if anything help is needed, just drop me a note on YouTube video, or even my Twitter account is there. This is my Facebook account, Blockchain Inside Out, and my Twitter account is Blockchain Inside Out. You can directly drop me a note. I will help you out. Thank you very much for watching. Please do support this channel and keep spreading. Bye.